Oh, we can understand you naman.
What's up, zztvids? Today video is we're going to a cook race with Puya.
No, we'll training. We will toss them. Training. Yeah, just a training. But we will be going to also buy some groceries.
Yeah,
So
and with Kuya.
with Kuya, sir.
You never saw him. You never saw him in
Oh, who's
our
the
video.
pigeons? That's coming.
And there's somebody, I don't know. And the auntie and
Let's check.
somebody. Look, flyer, it's in there.
Flyer and yung kalapating nakarating kay Xmakina.
Yeah, and give me you.
And oh no,
Gotcha.
the auntie of flyer. We will be racing
What,
them.
flyer? How about auntie?
This south. Yeah, that's the sister of Papa's pigeon.
Oh. What's the channel? Boom. 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 Fly.
Flyer, can you go back home by yourself? Huh? Why are you pecking the lens?
You're still blue, yeah? Yeah, and you can get one cook in here.
Nag-online ng train sa loob. Ano pumunta ka sa lagro?
Oh, punta kami sa lagro.
To train the coco. Guys,
What?
I keep doing this.
So guys, we'll be right back. We're just gonna get ready.
What's up, guys? We teleport and we don't know how. What's up, guys? So we was going in Lola's car because there was a lot
What?
of space for sitting and Kuya and for the cook thing. Yeah.
We'll toss them.
Gotcha, flyer. Gotcha. Gotcha, flyer. Ow!
Do you think Flyer can go home? Yeah.
But I never saw with this no cook place inside the coronavirus.
There's a corona. Pag iniwan kita sa lagro, can you go home? How about Flyer? Yeah.
What you said again, Papa?
Pag iniwan ka sa lagro,
No.
only the pigeon lang.
Oh, keep flying. Flying! Flying!
Maipit mo yung pakpak. Let's see kung sino makakauwi. But we just waiting lolo pa.
Move! 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 That's the place!
Dito muna sa labas yan.
Let's jump! The cook it's singing or nothing. So guys,
Yes
we
guys,
are back on the car. So
we're driving
yeah,
to Lagro
yeah, and Lola.
with Lola and Lolo and the pigeon.
Yeah. And not even keep my face mask on. So
We will release them
here,
later.
because we have to put them somewhere. Not like our home because there's coronavirus.
Coronavirus!
Coronavirus. And we will just make some groceries.
Yeah. Groceries. I forgot what it is. Everyone is close.
Where are we going? To the groceries. Come on, Baba Nos. Everybody, let's go. You can hear us if you're using the mask. And then you just wear na lang later.
Wait, Papa.
What? You see? If there's a place you wanna go, I'm the one you need to know.
I'm the map. I'm the map.
I'm the map, I'm the map.
I'm the map.
If there's a place you wanna get, I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map.
Where we're going first?
Where are we going first?
Groceries.
No, Lola's office.
Lola office.
And then,
Groceries.
oh, the ATM first. I will go down the ATM first, and then Lola, and then the
We're going
grocery.
to the ATM.
Mhm.
ATM.
ATM, 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 ATM.
So guys, we was just singing that and then we're making a video. We already went so far
Yeah.
to our house.
Let's see if Flyer can get home.
Yeah, went somewhere.
This is his first time that he will be tossed outside our place.
Yeah, but we did it in outside.
Outside the gate. Not outside the... Outside our... What they call it? No? Subdivision.
Protection.
Subdivision is where the people live.
Yeah, we went to the subdivision. I don't know subdivision.
Oh, ito sa iba to. Oh, that's Lola's mask pala eh. I will get it na eh. It's so ganda eh. Kuya, why you focus there?
He's looking somewhere.
Looking at the
Wait, I can see something. A car parking.
car parking.
Oh, one store is closed. And so guys, when your store is closed, open it when it's morning.
When the store is closed,
Yeah? When it's morning, what to do?
what to do? Open it.
Open it.
Sa paa mo daw ito.
Okay.
Dahan baka
Hello guys.
maputol. Hawakan.
Place wants go, where the activity wants go, on the map.
I'm the map.
On the map, on the map, on the
There's a
map.
place you wanna get. I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map.
On the map, on the map, on the map, on the map. On the map, on the map. The place you want to go. Place you want to go. On the map.
Oh, there's a truck, oh.
So guys, this was the outside look like. They are making a train. A train thing. A train track. So it's not done yet.
The train track.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many years before it finished?
32.
22 years?
Yeah.
Why?
Look, it's so long. That's almost done.
Hindi po ang padilalong na gusto.
But that's almost done. It's almost done, Papa.
Almost done na ba?
Yeah.
Wala pa yan. Still half of the ano.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Almost.
You need like 100 of those. See, this one nga, oh, wala pang nakatayo. Oh.
Yeah. But it got broken.
No, they still haven't assembled it yet.
So we will stop the video. Go. Okay.
So, bababa muna ako sa BPI pa. Tapos hintayin nyo na lang sa welcome. Doon lang ako mag-grocery. Baba nyo na si Mama sa lagro.
We are letting out.
Oh, wait. Wait away na.
11, 12, 13, 14. Here you go, Papa.
Where did they go na? Can't see them. So we did it. Let's see who is faster. The car or
The cuckoo.
the cuckoo.
Uncle Pip.
So we got some paper. We got some Gatorade and what is that? Pringles.
But it's so spicy. I need that to drink.
Balik ba dyan?
My muscles. Please open, Papa.
Isa?
Meron.
Please open. I hold you full.
You hold this ano? Pringles. I can open it in one hand.
Na-hold it.
Careful ha, baka masubsub sa'yo.
Tastes like apple.
Grapes yan eh.
Grape.
Kuya, ikaw.
Tastes like grape and grape juice. Tastes like grape juice and grape. Tastes like grape juice and grape. Tastes like grape juice and grape. It tastes like grape juice and grape. Papa, it tastes to me. It tastes like grape juice. It tastes like grape juice and the grape.
Yeah, this grape juice.
What do you taste?
Grapes.
What?
Grapes.
What?
Grape juice.
Grape juice?
Yeah.
It's white juice? Wipe down, wipe. Look at that big juice.
Wipe,
Here,
wipe,
there,
wipe it down, wipe, wipe.
We will put the ano, wipe down some, or wipe down ano, video. So guys,
So that's our white video. It's right down here.
we'll be back guys once we got home. Once we got home. Let's see who's faster. The auntie or us? Because the auntie will guide ano pa eh, flyer. And the ano, kalapating nakarating kay Xmakina. Let's see who's faster. So guys, we'll cut the video muna. So guys, we're back home na. And the cook's not here pa. Huh? Home sweet home?
Yeah, we got some of these. Oh, milk.
We'll check if they're here.
I left the water. Wind. Wind.
Us. We win.
And the cocos?
Not here pa.
Yay!
But we will update you guys later once the cook got home.
Balloon!
A few moments later.
So guys, Flyer is the first one to go back home. And then the auntie. And then the white one with the brown is not yet back.
What white one and the black?
The white with the brown. Yung kalapating nakarating kay Xmakina.
What is it? Yes, it is. Yeah.
I think He was blown away by the wind. So that's our update. Thanks for watching, guys.